44. Wake up, Stickman! Let's look around and see what Giddings looks like here. How about it? I don't know what it looks like. I'm not sure what we're checking out. But, Mark says it's a nice little town, so we're going to take a look. Take a look. Alright, we got a population for Giddings of 5,067 people. So it's a decent sized little town. Decent size. I don't know what's here to tell you to look here or there, so just look around. We got stuff on the left, we got stuff on the right. I believe we've been through here before. We have. It's all starting to look a little familiar. Not that familiar though. We do have some tracks over here on the right hand side that looks a little bit abandoned. Cemetery on the right. Speed limit's dropping down to 40 miles an hour, so we're going to back her down. Ease up on it just a little bit. Stickman, did you see that silver car just pull right out in front of that, whatever color that is? I don't even know the color. And indeed, this does look like a nice looking little town. Oh, Pizza Hut is now. I don't know how to say the name of that. Crossing over the tracks, check it out. Oh, they got truck wash back there. I've done truck washes, my own truck washes. They're not no fun. Just pay the extra money and take it to the shop. Oh, check out that mural over there on the left-hand side, Stickman. That is freaking sweet. You got a steam engine, cowboy on a horse, and a buffalo. Oh, this is pretty nice of it. Shooter's Bar. Nice little town. Just look all around, Stickman. Look at what you want to look at. Oh, check that out on the left-hand side. We run a red light. Not bad.
Right next to the police station.
Right next to the police station we done that.
Look, there's a donut and breakfast shop over there. Police station over here.
Donut breakfast shop. Right across from the police department. At the Burger King. AT&T. Brookshire Brothers Food and Pharmacy. I guess that's the local grocery. Golden Chick. I've heard that Golden Chick's pretty good. I don't know. Leave in the comments. Let me know what you think about it. You've never ate one. I've never. I don't know. If I have eaten one, it's been a long time ago. What?
Red light.
Stickman, look at Tasha. Check out all them tattoos she's. Oh, look at all the cactuses over there where Tasha's at.
I'm not stopping, Dad. Stop and shop Father's Day. Alright then.
So what's the name of that place?
Yeti. I don't know.
Yeah, it's not Yeti. Yeah, I guess it could be Yeti.
It's not. I don't know. The Grapevine.
The Grapevine. The Grapevine. That's what it was. Even though the yard was full of cactuses, they want to call it the Grapevine. How about that?
Catch me outside.
Catch me outside. How about that? Got the tow truck sitting over here being lazy on the left-hand side. See him over there?
Woo!
I don't know what he's doing.
Popo.
Got the Popo sitting there watching people drive by. No, he's got his blinker on. He's active. He is active. Cajun Carvin. Or Cajun Craven. My bad. Not Carvin. Craven!
It's another donut shop.
They like their donuts around here. Lost Pine Barbecue. neat looking little town now.
Pizza, pizza.
Is it pizza or pizza?
Whichever you want to say.
On a burger. Okay. You see that Stickman? She was on. Sleeping. And we got a Walmart. It almost looks like an old Walmart.
Small.
I thought that's what it was there for
It's
a
a
second.
stupid Boosie's.
Boosie's.
It's
Big
small.
old waste of, little bitty waste of space of Boosie's. That's the littlest Boosie's I've ever seen in my life. And we are in Giddings, Texas, just in case you missed it the first time, Stickman. Got a Sefco over here. Sefco truck stop. K9 unit. They got a hitch witch sandwich back there. I wonder how that's good. I mean, I wonder how that is. How's that good? Leave it to me to dice it up. Oh, look at this cemetery. That looks quite spookily nice. I don't know. It looks pretty nice, but it looks kind of spooky. I think is what I'm trying to get at. Alright, Stickman, this looks like this is about as much of Giddings as we're going to get to see, so I appreciate you tuning in and checking it out and getting all these side views for everybody to see, and we'll see you somewhere down the road.